Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw lines inside a table on Google Docs. So here I've already opened a Google Docs file with table on it. And here, let's say I want to draw a lines in here. So if you only want to add a horizontal line, you can just click on insert at the top and type in horizontal line, then it will be added just like this. So that's very easy. But if you want to add a vertical line, you need to use the drawing feature. So let's click on insert again, and there will be this drawing. Click on new, and this is a drawing menu. And to start drawing the line, you can just click on this line option and start draw the line that you want. So I'm going to draw a vertical line like this, for example. And in here there are lots of options that you can choose. You can select the or change the line color. You can change the weight, and you can also change the type of lines in here. After you are done, you can just click on save and close. And just like that, the lines will be added into the tables. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.